Hey, it's HomeBiz Joe, and welcome to day one of this 4-day masterclass. First off, I'm glad you're here because chances are, if you're watching this, you're probably in one of a few places right now. Maybe you're tired of working hard and still feeling like you're barely getting ahead. Maybe you've tried a few things online, but nothing has really clicked yet. Maybe you're looking for a simpler way to start building extra income from home without having to create your own product, deal with inventory, run around chasing people, or become some kind of tech genius. Or maybe you just know there has to be a better way to use the internet, a better way to build something part time, a better way to create more freedom for yourself and your family. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about in this masterclass. Now, let me be clear right up front. This is not some magic push button deal. No, this is not click once and get rich by Friday. And I'm not here to promise you some fantasy income overnight. What I am going to do is show you a simple business model that ordinary people can understand, plug into, and begin building from home. And that business model is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is really just a simple idea. You connect people who have a problem with a product, service, tool, or training that helps solve that problem. When they buy through your referral link, you earn a commission. That's it. You don't have to create the product. You don't have to ship anything. You don't have to handle customer service. You don't have to even process any payments. You simply become the connector. And when you really understand that, it changes the way you look at online business. Because some of the biggest companies in the world are built on this exact same basic idea. They connect people with what they already want. They connect buyers and sellers. They connect drivers and riders. They connect travelers with places to stay. They connect attention with offers. Affiliate marketing allows the regular person to use that same basic connector model online. You are connecting a person with a need to a product or service that can help them. And when that connection creates a sale, you get paid. Simple as that. Now, over the next 4 days, I'm going to walk you through the big pieces of this. Today, on day one, we're going to talk about why affiliate marketing is one of the simplest and most practical ways to start an online business from home. On day two, we're going to talk about the system because just grabbing an affiliate link and throwing it everywhere is not a real business. You need a simple marketing system that can capture leads, follow up, and do the selling work for you. On day three, we're going to talk about traffic because once you have the right offer and the right system, you need people seeing it. No traffic, no leads. No leads, no sales. And then on day four, I'll show you how all the pieces come together and how you can start plugging into a simple online business system for yourself. So here's your job during these 4 days. Watch the videos, take notes, don't overcomplicate it. And most importantly, don't just treat this like entertainment. This is not Netflix. This is training. The people who get results in any business are usually not the ones who know the most. They're the ones who actually take action. Now, before we go any further, let me give you a quick reality check. I cannot guarantee you will make money. Nobody can honestly guarantee that. Your results will depend on your effort, your consistency, your attitude, your follow through, and your willingness to learn and apply what you've shown. Some people will take information like this, excuse me, and run with it. Others will watch it, get excited for a few minutes, and then do nothing. The difference is almost always execution. So my goal is to make this simple enough that you can understand it and practical enough that you can actually use it. Now let me tell you why I like affiliate marketing so much. There are a lot of ways to make money online. You've probably heard of drop shipping. You've probably heard of Amazon FBA. You've probably heard of crypto, YouTube automation, digital agencies, coaching, freelancing, network marketing, and 100 other things. And look, some of those models can work. I'm not here to bash everything else, but a lot of them have big challenges. With drop shipping, you usually dealing with physical products, small profit margins, shipping issues, refunds, paid ads, and customer complaints. With Amazon FBA, you may need a lot of money up front for inventory before you even know if the product will sell. With a digital agency, you have to go find clients, sell clients, manage clients, keep clients happy, and deliver results. With crypto and investing, you usually need money first before you can make any meaningful money. With YouTube automation, you may be creating content for months or even years before seeing anything significant. Again, those models can work, but for the average person who wants to start from home part time without a ton of startup costs, affiliate marketing is one of the cleanest models out there. Why? Because you can start by recommending products, tools, or services that already exist. The company already created the product. The company already handles the checkout. The company already delivers the product. The company already supports the customer. Your job is to send the right people to the right offer in the right way. That's why I like this model. It's simple, but simple does not mean effortless. There is a right way and a wrong way to do it. And this is where most people mess up. Most people get an affiliate link and just start blasting it everywhere. They post it on Facebook. They send it to random traffic sites. They drop it in comments. They buy low quality clicks. They jump from one hot offer to another. Then they wonder why nothing works. The problem is not always the offer. The problem is usually the approach. You cannot build a serious affiliate business by acting like a desperate link dropper. You need a better way. You need a simple structure. And I want you to remember this because this is the foundation of the whole masterclass. There are three major pieces to a real affiliate business. Number one, you need the right vehicle. Number two, you need the right system. Number three, you need the right traffic. Let me explain. The vehicle is the product, service, or tool or program you are promoting. This matters because not all affiliate offers are equal. Some offers pay tiny commissions. Some offers do not convert well. Some offers are here today and gone tomorrow. Some offers sound exciting but have no long-term value. You want to promote something that is useful, in demand, and built around a real need. For example, in the online business space, people need certain tools. They need capture pages. They need funnels. They need an autoresponder. They need training. They need traffic. They need help understanding how to put the pieces together. That is why digital tools, business education, software, and online marketing systems can be powerful affiliate categories because people are already looking for solutions. The second piece is the system. This is where a lot of people fail. They think the affiliate link is the business. It's not. Your affiliate link is just the destination. The system is what helps move people from curious to interested to ready to take action. A good system can include a lead capture page, a thank you page, a follow-up email sequence, training, bridge pages, videos, bonuses, and a simple path for the prospect to follow. That matters because most people do not buy the first time they see something. They need to see it more than once. They need to understand it. They need to trust the message. They need follow-up. That's why sending people directly to an affiliate sales page is usually not the best strategy. You want to build your own list. You want to follow up. You want to create a simple process that works even when you're not sitting at the computer. And while we'll talk more about that on day 2, the third piece is traffic. Traffic simply means people, eyeballs, visitors, prospects. You can have the best product and the best system, but if nobody sees it, nothing happens. Traffic is the fuel. The product is the vehicle. The system is the engine. Traffic is the fuel that makes everything shake, rattle, and roll. And on day 3, we're going to talk about that in more detail. Now, let's come back to today's main point. Why affiliate marketing? Because it gives you a way to start an online business without having to build everything from scratch. You do not need to invent a product. You do not need to be famous. You do not need to be perfect on camera. Look at me. You do not need to have a huge following. You do not need to know everything. You need to learn the basic process and then work that process consistently. That's the part most people skip. They chase the newest thing. They get excited for 3 days, then they quit and start over with something else. But online business rewards consistency. It rewards follow up. It rewards learning one simple model and sticking with it long enough to get better. So here's what I want you to understand from day 1. Affiliate marketing is not about begging people to buy something. It is not about spamming links. It is not about trying to convince everybody. It is about finding the right people, giving them helpful information, and connecting them with a solution that makes sense. That's a much better way to look at it. You are not just selling. You are guiding, you are appointing, you are connecting. And when you build your business that way, it feels a lot more natural. Now, before we wrap up day 1, let me give you a simple checklist for choosing a good affiliate offer. First, is it in a market where people are already spending money? Second, does it solve a real problem? Third, does the company have a solid product or service? Fourth, does it pay commissions that are worth your time? Fifth, does it have tools, training, or support that help customers succeed? Sixth, can you see yourself talking about it honestly and comfortably? Now, that last one's important. Do not promote something just because it pays. Promote something you can stand behind, because in the long run, your reputation matters. Now, here's your takeaway for today. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest online business models because you are connecting people to solutions that already exist. But to do it correctly, you need more than just a link. You need the right vehicle, the right system, and the right traffic. Today, we talked about the vehicle. Tomorrow, on day 2, we're going to talk about the system. This is where things get really important. Because once you understand how to put a simple marketing system in place, you stop depending on random posting and hoping. You start building a process that captures leads, a process that follows up, a process that can work for you day and night, even while you're sleeping. So make sure you watch day 2. Watch for the next email like a hawk for the next training. And before you leave today, take a minute and ask yourself this question. Am I willing to stop jumping from thing to thing and actually learn one simple process? Because if you are, this masterclass can help you see affiliate marketing in a much clearer way. Go back and rewatch this if you need to and take notes. And I'll see you tomorrow where we'll talk about the simple marketing system that helps turn affiliate marketing from a random link into a real online business. I'm Home Biz Joe. Thanks for watching day 1. Now, if you're ready to stop just learning about affiliate marketing and actually start building your own automated affiliate business from home, I've dropped a special link for you right below this video. So if you're excited, you're ready to move forward, and you don't want to wait another day, go ahead and click that link now. Check it out, get started today, and I'll see you on the inside very soon. Okay? Okay.